What's up, y'all? Out here at Smith Family Farm in Knightson, which is near Brentwood, Northern California. Gonna do some fresh produce shopping. Let's go. Every Creole's dream, fresh tomatoes. You can buy the plant or do what I do. Be back here mid-July for the harvest. This farm produces amazing bell peppers and pumpkins. Man, this farm has a good display of fruits, vegetables. We early in June 2023, and yes, those strawberries are kicking. Fresh garlic, onions, zucchini, potatoes. They have a lot to offer right now. Got all my goodies. Make sure you support that fresh and local produce.